How to export chat from WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the WhatsApp application and select any of your profiles or the group or any sort of chat that you'd want to export. Now simply tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. Now you'll be able to see there are no options of export chat. You get the option of more at the bottom of the screen. So let's select on the more option, and here you'll be able to see the option of export chat. Simply select on export chat over here, and as you do that, it will take us to a different page where you can send the chat via different options. So you can select whichever is more convenient for you. I'm going to go for Telegram, and you can simply select on any of the profile that is more convenient for you. I'm going to tap on one of these groups over here and then tap on import. Make sure that you do not have any sort of error and have proper connection to get it exported. But this is basically the process to export chat from WhatsApp. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.